Hello guys, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, in this video I will teach you how you can add a new feature in your WooCommerce or online store website that called order tracking. So this is the complete tutorial. Don't skip any part of this video. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get start this video. To add a feature for order tracking, even you're using any type of e-commerce theme, this process will apply to all type of WordPress themes, and you can easily provide order tracking feature to your visitors. Once they done purchase from your online store, they have to just provide the order ID and the name, and they are willing to track the order. To add a order tracking feature on your WordPress website, there are many ways, but in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way. Even you're using Elementor or blog editor, I will show you the both way, and I will also teach you if you want to enable this feature using plugin, how you can enable order tracking on your website. So first we will go to our website option pages, and we will create a new page that name order tracking. So let me visit to my website pages. So in the pages, we are going to create a new page. Let's click on add page. First, I will show you, if you're using WordPress blog editor, not Elementor, how you can enable the shortcode for order tracking to enable this feature. So I have clicked here, add page. Now we have to name our page order tracking. You can set any name, track your order tracking. So here let me name it order tracking. Okay, and then this is the blog editor, classic editor. And now we will click this plus icon, or you can hover to the header section. You will see the plus icon, blog inserter. Let's click on it, and now search for shortcode. Make sure the WooCommerce plugin is enabled before you add this shortcode to your website. So we have to search here shortcode. Let's click on shortcode, and it will add to your page automatically. Now this is the time we are going to add one shortcode in order to enable order tracking. So the shortcode will look like something WooCommerce dash order dash tracking, and this is the shortcode. You can see this shortcode, or you can take a screenshot to add this exact shortcode in your page. Let's click on publish and click publish again. Now we will check if our order tracking page is enabled or working, and then I will show you in the Elementor as well. As you can see, now our order tracking is enabled here, and they have to provide the order ID, billing email address, the email address they have entered while they purchase any product from our shop. They have to provide their billing email and click on track. So with the help of track, they will able to track their orders. Now let's talk about the next if you wanna enable using Elementor. So first click on add page. The process will be same for giving title to our page order track the order. Let's this time set track the order, and now we will immediately click edit with the Elementor. You can also use Elementor to enable these features. Now Elementor widget will be open, and we will add the same shortcode element, or you can call it widget, from the side panel in the elements from here, or you can search widget here in the search option shortcode, and you will find a shortcode element. Just you have to drag it exact in the box one time and paste the same shortcode we just added into the page earlier using classic editor. So let's paste it. Now when we paste this shortcode, you will see immediately there is our order ID, billing, and they will able to track from here. You wanna disable the sidebar. So let's click on page setting upper side and scroll down and select the page layout to Elementor full width. And we will wait little time and it will become the whole page for order tracking. But if you want to keep the sidebar, you can definitely keep the sidebar as well. Now you want to make the background dark or anything, just click on this middle edit container, go to style, and you can add background overlays if you want to add, or any image in the back end. That's up to you guys. If you want to make it little, you want to give some color. You also can add image in the background if you want. So let me show you. If you want to add image, just to select from the gallery any image and add it. This way you can also design the background in Elementor as well. So now this is the time to click on publish, and we will check our order tracking page. If our order tracking page is working, yeah, it's working here. They will able to add order ID and billing email address. If you don't wanna use the shortcode, and let me show you some of the plugins available in the WordPress you can use in order to enable this functionality. Let's go to plugins, click on add plugin. Now let me search for order track. So when you search this plugin order track, it will give you some of the plugins from here. You can use this particular plugin order tracking for WooCommerce. You have to just click on easily import and manage your tracking numbers. Add tracking numbers to paper and send email notification to the customers. If you want to send notification to the customers as well, you can use this plugin. Let's click on install and we will activate this plugin right away. Let's click on activate. So we have to do some basic setting in order to build our order tracking functionality little bit premium style. If you wanna allow notification, if you wanna send notifications to your customers, you can use this plugin as well. So let me check where it is. We just activate. Here it is, order tracking for WooCommerce. Let's click on setting right away from the plugins, and this is the page here. You can also choose custom carrier and click on add carrier. You will able to add different carriers for different countries. For example, if you want to set custom carrier, select the country. If you want to set for any particular country, and then click add carriers, then you have to enable the carrier from the options. So people will able to track their order. If you're doing drop shipping, then mostly probably your stock from coming from China, and you can use, they use mostly 4PX and Canada Post from China, and AliExpress standard shipping. They have a lot of options. You can enable these all options, that's okay. And now let's click on save. Now for the USA we have for all countries, but you can set set for any individual country. Then you have to add carrier again, and you have to name the carrier. Example, you wanna set for USPS, write a carrier name, slug, and shipping country you can select USA. If you want to set particular for USA, and you have to provide your carrier and tracking number here. Okay, let's click on email now. So this will send tracking of whole order to the customers. This is really nice feature. They will get a email with the order tracking updated, and they will get their tracking number also. Number of emails sent per time 10. Delay between each, you can delay them, and save changes. You can do these settings here. Click on WooCommerce email. This is important. Include tracking in WooCommerce email, but this will do once the customer already placed the order. When the order will ship out, it will automatically add status in the email with the order status or order with the tracking details. And you don't need to do anything from here. SMS, if you want to enable SMS or mobile messages for your customers, you need to upgrade this feature. Let's click on PayPal. You also can free version only support PayPal standard, so it will automatic put the tracking code into the PayPal servers. Tracking services, here you can enable the tracking service, and you can use this particular shortcode to build the page, tracking page, professional tracking page. Tracking more tracing from shortcode. You can still use the shortcode even if you don't have tracking service, so you can use this shortcode to make separate page for that. API service, you need to use the service of their tracking more, or you can use VI tracking beta. You have two options, but if you wanna use further like a Chinese company premium only, you have to upgrade it. Okay, but if you only want to allow them to just track on you want to provide only the page where they will able to track the order, then this is the enough for that. You also can check other options, schedule update under the plugin, webhook, import tracking. So this is the for the schedule update currently disabled. You can enable this. Okay, so now to turn off the carrier you currently defer carrier, you can disable any carrier you are not working with from here. Then you can keep only the carriers you are using. So now let's click on our pages to see if there is any particular page. When we install any plugin, sometime it create auto tracking page for you. So let me check if there is a order tracking page. Yeah, here it is, a track order. So let me check order tracking. Now you will see there is some changes. When we enter or create the default track shortcode, there were some changes. Now it's now they can easily provide their tracking number and just to track the order directly from here. Okay, so this feature will allow them to enable tracking with a tracking number. They have to provide tracking number, and they will able to track if their order has been shipped out or not. Okay, using these features. If you have any confusion or you want me to create another tutorial, complete tutorial on trackings or for order tracking and some other features, you can let me know in the comments. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.